Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to create a new Gmail account. To do this, first of all, hit on the Gmail application and then select Google. Click on continue and then select create account for my personal use. From here, enter your full name and hit on next. Add your birth date and your gender. Then choose the appropriate email address you want and then type a strong password and then hit on next. And then your Gmail account will be created. So in a very simple way, you can create a new Gmail account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.